thank you for watching this YouTube channel. And I am just really excited to share with you today my unboxing of a recent purchase of a Louis Vuitton handbag. I went to the store to get it, so we've already seen it and fell in love with it, and I'm just excited to share that experience with you all. It's actually been a while since I purchased a handbag or have visited a Louis Vuitton store, probably over 2 years or so. I'm just super proud to get back to it again. And so I noticed that the packaging is different now. I used to buy Louis Vuitton when it was like the brown packaging, and now like I really see that it's this orange, gold and blue type of packaging. And I just kind of want to talk about my in-store experience as well. Like, my client advisor over at the Valley Fair location of Louis Vuitton is really helpful. I will share with you her name in the bottom of the video, so you can check her out if you are in the San Jose area. But it was just a really great experience. It's with the purchase of this handbag. So let's just dive right into it, right? So in this bag, in this package, I actually bought a few items, but one is a perfume, which I will also do a review of. So it is the Louis Vuitton perfume line. I will do another review of that. But what we're really here for today is the unboxing for my newest addition to my Louis Vuitton collection. I bought this at the Valley Fair store. I'm gonna get this out of the way because it's a little bulky. So I bought this in the Valley Fair store, and it is the Louis Vuitton crossbody, the South Bank Besace. Okay, I think that's how you spell it. And the client advisor actually said that it doesn't really matter as long as you tried, it's okay. So it's the South Bank Besace. So it came out, I believe, in the fall and winter of 2017 to replace the Bloomsbury crossbody. Okay. So here we go. Just unboxing this thing. It's so beautiful, this box. It has this classic look to it. It's just beautiful. And then now you don't have to like lift the entire box. It actually comes like this, like when you open CDs and stuff. So it comes in the Louis Vuitton dust bag, and just, oh no, like when I smell that, it's just so excited, so excited to use this little baby and share that all with you. So yeah, this is the South Bank Besace. It's a crossbody in canvas, in the Damier Ebene canvas. As you know, the Damier Ebene was designed by Louis himself about a few years back, and it came back into the design house in 1996. It is one of their signature designs with the monogram and also the Damier Ebene. And so this is the Damier Ebene. Like, let me actually close this so we can get through the actual details of the bag. What I really love about this crossbody is just how roomy it is. When I went to the store to check it out, kind of like get a feel for it, I knew that I just have to get it right away, simply because of how slim, how compact it looks, but how roomy it is inside. So let me walk you through it. So it comes in gold hardware, and it has a strap, and the strap has a red lining, which I love. I just really love red these days, and it has a red lining. Makes it really, really unique and classic. And the strap also has gold hardware, and you can adjust the strap according to how long you want it to be, so that it would kind of, if you want it lower, or you want it a little bit higher, you can do that. And then it also has a front pocket, which you can use to store like your phone or anything. And then the gold hardware, there's actually 2 zippers on this bag. So the way that I will open it is probably like this, and then you can see, oh, there's a control tag going on here, the tech stuff, and also the kind of certificate of authenticity with a QR code. And it comes inside of it is a red fabric. It just is perfect for the Damier Ebene style. I just love all the red in here. I'm typically not a red person. I love purple, lilac, maybe a little bit of orange, blue, and stuff like that. This is my first time to be really crazy about red. And when I saw one of the reviews for the handbag Besace, I wanted to get one just because of like how unique it looks like and how classy it looks like because of all the red that's going on here. And so I'll show you a little bit. Inside of it, really roomy. I feel like I could fit my entire sink in it, but I wouldn't, of course, right? And it has a large pocket that you can put like your little thingamajigs in, or like little knickknacks here and there. And it also is very roomy. I think what I'm gonna do next is show you the thing that I will put in here and how much room this bag can actually hold. So yeah, so it shows in gold hardware, and there's like this clasp in here that still says Louis Vuitton, made in France. Or no, it says Vuitton Fondi 1884, which is the founding of when Louis Vuitton was made. So all of the hardware has like a mark or branding to it. Even the zipper has branding that says Louis Vuitton Paris. And yeah, how it fits my body, it was already adjusted to kind of fit me. And it is on the sort of the longest tile, and it fits right just here. And it's just really cool about it, you know. If you see it, and it has this little pom-pom in it. I forget what it's called, but I think as time goes around and it kind of is used, it will kind of spread out a little bit more and have it have its better design and look. Because right now it just looks like there's some little kabuki brush at the side of your bag. So that is the style on me with this bag. As I said, you can adjust it. I think I am on the longest side of this, but so I can definitely still kind of make it higher, which probably isn't a good idea. But just to show you that you can change how long this is. In case you should know like this, not its crossbody, but I typically use this bag as a crossbody bag. I actually might like it a little bit higher like that, where it hits here a little bit, so I could reach for it better. So yeah, this is my Damier Ebene Southbound Besace, which is created in honor of their London store in the South Bank. Love it. So right after this, just right after so you'll see a little bit of a transition. I will walk you through what I will be putting inside of this. So here we are again. We are now going to be putting stuff inside of the Damier Ebene Southbound Besace Louis Vuitton crossbody bag. I just love this bag. I'm speechless because I just love this bag. Anyway, so I have my Dior card holder where I put most of my stuff, and I also have my very loved Curious wallet. I got this like maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and it's my favorite wallet because of the empreinte leather. So it's all soft now. So these are typically the things that I bring when I use my bags. So I'm gonna put this in here, and then also this, and then usually my phone is quite big. It is the iPhone X, but for now, like, I will use my old phone. So I'll put that in here. And there's still a lot of room. I could actually decide to also put my Dior here if I want, so it's easier to get to, because I will be using this to replace my current crossbody, and I want that card holder wallet to be really accessible because I can use work, and it has my Clipper card and it's the Metro card, so I want to make sure that I'm able to reach for that really easy. And there's still a lot of room in here. I think I can actually also still put in a book, which I'll do right now. I'll put in this book, but I also like reading and training. It does fit a book. And then I'm also planning to put in my cosmetic bag. And I think there's still room to do that here. And if you have like a small-ish bottle of water, I don't know if people do that, it still could fit that here as well. But if you're the type of people who wouldn't put bottled water inside of your Louis Vuitton, then that's also your choice. But there is just a lot of room in this bag. I love it. I think this can easily replace the rotation of my Speedy bandolier, just because of how roomy, how compact, and how practical. I really cannot tell you just how much I love this bag. So I am just really happy to share with you the experience. As I said, it's going to be replacing or kind of rotating in with my Speedy Bandolier in terms of the rotation and use, because of how practical it can get. There's just so much stuff you can put in this Damier Ebene Southbound Besace. I'm so excited to be using this on the road. So yeah, thanks friends.